welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you came back to see what's next. So I'm gonna show you how to recreate this look here. I was going for a natural glowy look to liven up my face a little bit because it's a little dull because I've been sick. So I wanted to go for something natural, glowy, not dewy, just glowy. So I like how it came out. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like if you like and subscribe. I feel like I have to yell over that, so I'm gonna just wait until he's done because the whole neighborhood needs to hear the music. So anyways, like and subscribe and continue to be on the lookout for my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Let's pretend that my hair looks cute. I'm still cute though, because you want to be disrespectful. Excuse me, I can't zoom out anymore. I guess I can, but you can see. I guess today, because I'm sick and I look like a little puffy around my eyes and my skin is a little dull, so I'm going to show you how to liven up your skin.
Want a steak?
Unless I go to Mike's and bring it back.
No, I wouldn't actually do that.
That ain't no biggie.
Nah.
It's right there.
It is not right there. It's like over the bridge and under the water
Zoom, zoom.
and up the mountain.
Zoom, zoom.
No. I don't know about haven't eaten anything all day.
I don't know, me neither. That's how I know you're different, because you would have ate something over there. Me too. And you don't have to taste for anything. You don't need to taste.
I don't. I know how to taste for the mics.
You ready, Bobbi?
That sounds good. Have I ever had a salad from there?
I don't know.
Look up the website and see what kind of website. Look up the website and see what kind of websites they got.
I don't know.
Look up the website and see what kind of website. Look up the website and see what kind of websites they got. I'm gonna use the Studio Fix to sorry, the dust all over my face, to set the rest of my face. Cause I'm gonna do just like a little dusting. I'm gonna take a big brush and just marry them together. I want everything blended out. And then I'm gonna do the NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. It's called the Daytime Halo. And then I'm gonna put a powder over top of it because I'm extra. Alright, so get my of course, and I'm gonna go on Primavera with my finger, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. To do a quick halo, and I'm going to use Burnt Orange out of the same palette to do that. So I'm going to put a little Hey everybody, welcome back. No. Hey everybody, welcome back to no.